Hello, everyone, and welcome back to LearnUp English. I'm Jake.
And I'm Emma. We are so happy you are here to learn with us today.
Today, we have a great lesson for you. We are going to learn how to talk about your daily routine.
Yes, your daily routine. What do you do every day? Do you wake up early? Do you drink coffee? This lesson will help you speak about your day like a natural R10s.
We will learn the best English words and phrases, and we will use the present simple tense. It's easy, don't worry.
So, if you want to speak more English, if you want to sound more confident, this is the video for you. Stay with us until the end. We have a fun challenge.
Before we start, if you like learning with us, please take 1 second to subscribe to our channel. It helps us make more free lessons for you.
And hit that like button. Okay, Jake, are you ready to start learning about the daily routine?
I am ready, Emma. Let's start with the morning.
Let's go.
So, let's talk about the morning. We use the present simple tense for things we do often. Things we do every day.
That's right. The structure is simple. Subject plus verb. For example, look at these phrases. Repeat after me. I wake up, I get dressed, I eat breakfast.
Good. Notice the verb is in its basic form. Wake, get, eat. Simple.
Okay, let's listen to our friends Paul and Emily. They are talking about their morning. Listen carefully.
Good morning, Emily. When do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m. And you, Paul?
I wake up early. I wake up at 6 a.m.
Wow. Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I do. I drink coffee and I read the news. Did you hear those phrases? I wake up. I drink coffee. I read the news. These are all things they do every day.
Let's practice pronunciation of 2 important words. Listen closely and repeat. Breakfast, not breakfast. Say break-fist. Brush your teeth. Say the sh sound, brush.
Now, we will say 4 sentences. Say them with us. Speak loudly.
I brush my teeth. Repeat. I brush my teeth.
I get dressed. Repeat. I get dressed.
I eat breakfast. Repeat. I eat breakfast.
I go to work. Repeat. I go to work.
Excellent. You are speaking English.
A mini story about my morning. I wake up at 7:30. I don't drink coffee. I drink tea. Then I walk my dog, Buster. Buster is a very happy dog. He loves our morning walk.
Aw, that's sweet. So Jake walks his dog. Now, this is important. When we talk about one person, he, she, or it, the verb changes a little. We add an S to the verb.
We call this the third person singular. Listen and repeat after us. Subject. I divided by you, divided by we, divided by they. Verb. Wake up. Subject. He divided by she, divided by it. Verb. Wakes up. Verb. Drink, drinks. Verb. Go, goes. Notice the S. He wakes up. She drinks. It goes.
Let's listen to Paul and Emily again. Now Paul is talking about Emily. Listen for the esse.
Emily works at a big company. She starts work at 9 a.m.
That's right, and Paul teaches English. He has many students.
Yes, I do. I love my job. Did you hear the difference? She works. He teaches.
Let's look at 2 common verbs that are a little different. Have becomes has, not haves. Say, he has. Go becomes goes. Say, she goes.
Okay, let's practice the S sound. Repeat these sentences about a friend.
He drinks water. Repeat. He drinks water.
She takes the bus. Repeat. She takes the bus.
My friend finishes work at 5. Repeat. My friend finishes work at 5.
He watches TV in the evening. Repeat. He watches TV in the evening. That sounds great. Remember the S.
How do we ask a question about the daily routine? We use do or does.
If the subject is I, you, we, or they, we use do. Do you watch TV? Do they eat dinner late?
If the subject is he, she, or it, we use does. Does he read books? Notice, the verb read does not have an S here. Does she go to the gym?
The rule is, when you use do or does, the main verb stays in its simple form. No S needed.
What if the answer is no? We use don't or doesn't.
I do not like to cook. I say, I don't cook dinner. Don't equals do not. We don't start work early.
My brother does not watch many movies. I say, he doesn't watch many movies. Doesn't equals does not. She doesn't study on weekends.
Emma, let's ask each other some questions.
Great idea. Jake, do you go to bed late?
No, I don't go to bed late. I usually go to bed at 10 p.m. Does your husband cook dinner every night?
No, he doesn't cook every night. We cook together on the weekend.
That's nice. Okay, listeners, let's try one more time. Repeat these questions and answers.
Do you live in a city? Repeat. Do you live in a city?
Yes, I do. Repeat. Yes, I do.
Does he like his job? Repeat. Does he like his job?
No, he doesn't. Repeat. No, he doesn't.
You're all doing amazing.
Okay, let's quickly review the important things we learned today.
We learned how to talk about your daily routine using the present simple. I divided by you, divided by we, divided by they. Use the simple verb. Example. I read a book. He divided by she, divided by it. Add an S to the verb. Example. He reads a book. Say that S, questions and negatives. Use do divided by don't or does divided by doesn't. Example. Do you study English? She doesn't watch TV.
Very clear. Now, let's do a very quick quiz. Tell us the correct sentence.
Listen and choose A or B. Question 1. A. My sister drinks tea every morning. B. My sister drinks tea every morning. Answer. B. My sister drinks tea every morning.
Question 2. A. Does you go shopping on Saturday? B. Do you go shopping on Saturday? Answer. B. Do you go shopping on Saturday?
Question 3. A. He don't work on Fridays. B. He doesn't work on Fridays. Answer. B. He doesn't work on Fridays.
Great job, everyone. If you got 3 out of 3, you are ready for the next level.
You worked so hard today. Learning English takes time, but you are doing great. Every time you practice, you get better.
That's right. Remember to use these new sentences today. Think about your own day.
Now for your challenge. Tell us about your morning routine in the comments. Use 3 sentences to tell us about your morning. Example, I wake up at 7 a.m. I drink coffee. Then, I go to work.
Write your answers in the comments below. We will read them.
Yes, we love reading your comments. If you found this lesson helpful, please like this video and subscribe to LearnUp English for more free lessons.
Thank you so much for learning with us today. Keep practicing. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye everyone. Happy learning.